Here because we want 100% vaccination among our inmates, our staff members and their family members, so that we can be able to open up the prison. Since COVID-19 came, the inmates have not seen their family members. And since they have been isolated, we have not had many incidences of COVID-19 among our inmates. And we do not intend to have COVID get into the prisons because we have opened up for visitation. So why we are here is to ascertain that the inmates, staff members and their family members are all vaccinated by Friday this week. We hope that 100% vaccination. So we are targeting to have 100,000 people, all our inmates, our staff members and their family members vaccinated by Friday. So this is a program we are monitoring to see if there are any challenges in the vaccination program. We are also doing this together with the Ministry of Health, and we are working in close collaboration with them because they are the people who are supplying us with the vaccines. They're the people who are helping us with sensitization so that we make sure that the uptake is high. Visitation. And we are also giving standards of when the prisons open, what needs to be in place so that we make sure that COVID-19 stays out of our prisons. In Garissa, we are at 93% for inmates, and we are at 60% for staff members and their family members. So here, we just need to make sure those coming in and those going out, that we are making sure that all the inmates are vaccinated. The staff members also, we want to establish why aren't they taking up the vaccine, and to be able to address that challenge and to be able to bring it up. But countrywide would say that we are at 70% overall, and we want to make sure that we bridge that gap of 30% by Friday this week. We have cooperation from the Ministry of Health. They are giving us their health officers so that we are able to meet the target. In areas, the very far-flanked areas, we're using a Johnson & Johnson so that it is only one shot. In the other areas that are easily accessible, we are using AstraZeneca, and we want by the end of this week, everybody will have received their first dose. Second dose, we are around 30%, so that we are still far. And that is because we started the vaccines amongst our staff members. So our staff members are more vaccinated than the inmates. The inmates, we only started this program 2 weeks ago. So we find that by the time we are doing the second dose for all our inmates, we'll be at 100% in January for all inmates and all our staff members and their families. The second priority is to make sure that all our facilities are ready and prepared for safe visitation. So until we are certain that all our prisons have the facilities that are safe, then and only then will the announcement be made. But that again is the prerogative of the Ministry of Health. We are working together on this, so the Ministry of Health will give us final guidelines and the final authorization for visitation to come in. So right now we can't give a date, but we shall be able to get it from the Ministry of Health.